The journey to Lean Six Sigma certification starts with enrolling in a course for your intended belt level. Courses vary in content and scope, but they share a dedication to hands-on learning and real-world application. Let's look at some of the learning activities you'll encounter as a Lean Six Sigma student. Sigma Station, catapults, company projects, and Master Black Belt activities. First, Sigma Station is an interactive business simulation where you and your classmates step into various roles at an imaginary TV station. You'll take customer orders for advertising time and quickly discover that the established order processing procedure leads to chaos and inefficiency. Then, using the TMAC problem-solving process, you'll work together to identify the root causes of the chaos and make Sigma Station more efficient and effective. Want to learn how to use statistical software? Launch your skills as a data analyst with miniature wooden catapults. During the catapult exercise, you'll work in teams to gather data and analyze factors affecting the travel distance of the ball. In the catapult competition, you and your team will develop a statistical model to predict your catapult's accuracy. Will you hit the target and score the most points to come out on top? Some of the best learning comes from beyond the classroom walls. That's why applying your new skills to a project at your company is so valuable. You'll give regular project updates in class, strengthening your presentation skills in the process. Even better, you'll then get immediate, valuable feedback from instructors and peers. And after class is over, your instructors will still be available to provide coaching as you complete your project. Yellow belt, green belt, and black belt students all get to experience the Sigma Station simulation. Green belt and black belt students complete company projects and the catapult exercise, with black belt students going on to also participate in the catapult competition. These activities combine with lectures, discussions, quizzes, and more for a well-rounded learning experience. Finally, the Master Black Belt course for experienced black belts features unique activities aimed at training the trainer, preparing students to teach and to lead Lean Six Sigma programs at their companies. As an MBB student, you'll get experience presenting on various Lean Six Sigma topics and receive feedback from your instructors. You and your classmates will also participate in engaging role-play scenarios, allowing you to practice coaching Greenbelt students who need help. In addition to these activities, MBB classes feature deeper dives into lean and statistics concepts, numerous case study reviews, and more. From day one of class at every belt level, you can expect to develop skills that will serve you throughout your career, build lifelong bonds with your classmates, and make a real lasting impact on your company. Ready to level up your skills? Contact us today to learn more and sign up for our next course.